up. It is going crazy. Even the trees that don't have the leaves yet are moving around pretty good. The evergreens. Gotta love country living though, look at that. That is our nearest neighbor. Other farm way down there. But that's where the river is down there. I don't know if you can see the telephone poles and the tree line way back there. That's where the river is. Where we live, it's always windy. This is a normal day. So wiring the chicken coop, they're putting the wires underground. There goes the turkeys. See the turkeys? They sure like people. Anyway, they're using the tiller to till up the ground to run the wires. I don't know if they're called wires. The electrical cord, electricity, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the other day we had a tree fall due to the wind, and there's no wind today, which is very unusual. And unfortunately, fell on my son's Hummer. Caused a lot of damage. This is the tree that fell on my son's Hummer. Here's our beautiful pink peonies. I think most of them are open. These are almost white. Little bit of pink color in them. Otherwise, they're white. Here's the second bush of peonies. Aren't they pretty? I'm hoping you can see them. My phone is a new phone, but it has the worst camera.